Wadau, to know someone is to have a seat with them and have a conversation with them. Now, that is backed up in the book of Ephesians chapter 1 verse about 16 to 19. It says to know someone lazima ukae chini naye and have a conversation with them. At least that is according to my understanding. The same way in film we say that there's no one in this world that you cannot love. If you know their story. Once you know someone's story, automatically you love them. So the same way, I want to know people. I want to know their stories. I want to know what do they, what inspires them, what makes them who they are. I want to know their story. So join me as we have a seat with them, have a conversation, a real conversation, talk, and get to learn something from them and get to know their story. So join me, being behind the camera, and as time goes, maybe, just maybe, we are going to bring a host. Tujue wase, tujuane, to learn something from each and everybody's story, a personal story, and then to get to know them and learn something from them, because you can learn. Hakuna mtu kwa hii dunia hawezi kufunza kitu. Hata mwenda wazimu kuna kitu tu atakwambia. Mwalimu wetu alituambianga, Mr. Yego alituambianga, ndo aache sigara akipitia tu tao. Alipatana na mwenda wazimu fulani, alikuanga kwa hiyo stage, akamwambia wewe mzee, alikuwa amewasha, alikuwa amebai mbili, sijui kama ilikuwa roaster ama gani, alikuwa amewasha akikiwaka, akipitia kwa street, akamwambia wewe mzee, na uache sigara. Na alikuwa mwenda wazimu enyewe, na Mr. Yego hapo na hapo akaacha sigara. So there is no one in this world you cannot learn something from them. Don't be ignorant. And then what is intelligence? Intelligence is wanting to know. You know intelligence. You have that urge ya growth. You don't know, you want to know. Because ukishajua umejua, wewe hakuna. The moment umejua ati mimi najua, wewe hujui, hakuna kitu unajua, sasa wewe umeisha. So let's learn together, let's hear those stories together, learn from them manze. So join me and a host who you are going to bring tutamleta. Yeah, being behind the camera, mimi kama the camera as my eye, and then the host as the questionnaire, na our guest Safi. Na mkidai picha kama zile, you can get them manze. You want those pictures to print and put them in your house? I got you man, I got you. Sikubali nyumba ikae hivyo, pana. Hizo picha ziko available. At a price, nikuprintie, nikutumie. You got them.